Hi everyone, been a while. So I'm planning to cook pineapple rice today, and here's the process. You wash the pineapple, then you cut. And if you're planning to use your pineapple as the bowl to serve the food, then you can do this process. However, if you're not planning on doing that, you can ignore. My pineapple is quite ripe, so you can just decide to use a one that is not as ripe as this for yours. So after doing this, you scoop this out with spoon. And now we do the frying process. We're going to be adding a little bit of oil to fry our protein. I'm using shrimps. You can use your chicken thigh or breast in this instance. So after we do this for like 2 to 3 minutes, we're going to fry our onions and other vegetables. So start by adding the ginger and garlic paste and some onion. And after doing this, I'm going to be adding some pepper. So I'm using red pepper and yellow pepper. You can always add more or less according to what you have. So my yellow pepper is frozen. Oh, sorry, orange pepper. So you can always use green, yellow, whatever color of red pepper you have at hand. And so I'm adding the green pea and corn as well, and some carrots. So I'm going to do this for just few minutes on medium high heat. It's going to be seasoning with curry powder, and there's some multi-purpose seasoning with a little bit of salt. So the seasoning here is very minimal because there is seasoning with the rice is sitting already, and the pineapple juice too will give it a lot of flavor and sweet taste as well. So I use 1.5 cup pineapple, the chunks with the juice together. So so you have to add the rice now, the already cooked rice. Meanwhile, the cooked rice is already seasoned with salt and a little bit of curry and multi-purpose seasoning. If you use bouillon cubes, you can use that instead of the multi-purpose seasoning in case you still do MSG. So add more rice to this, and we add the rice bit by bit until they are well incorporated. Yeah, you see it's already giving the pineapple color. So add the shrimps. This is the stage you add your chicken to, in case you're using that. And that is the end of the cooking. So you can just leave it to simmer for a few minutes, and you serve in your pineapple bowl or wherever you prefer. And that is it. So I served mine with some cucumber lemon juice and a little bit of chicken, and that's it. Thank you for watching.